Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a Christmas sphere on the snow. First, using a CD or something round, we trace a circle. For this I'm using a white charcoal pencil and I'm drawing on blue cardboard paper. With a marker on the side of the sphere, let's draw the reflection of a tree, up here. And then down in a curving line, the horizon. Let's draw a pine tree over here, also curving slightly, obviously because of the shape of the sphere. And then with the charcoal white, let's draw a very bright reflection just by the horizon. I invite you to follow me on Instagram at artistleonardo to see my new works of art. And then we can come up with the white, but pressing less, so that it is not as bright. And we should leave an area blank with the color of the paper. We bring also a little bit of the white over here, lightly, and I'll reinforce this bright part. With a stump we can soften it and make it more even. I'm doing this especially because this paper has a texture, and here I don't want it to show, I want it to be smooth. This sphere is on the snow, so with a dark gray pencil, let's do the cast shadow from here, lightly. I do layers of strokes in different directions to make it more even, and let's do it darker, closer to the sphere. I'll modify slightly these shapes so that it is more even, and down here we should have a reflection of the tree as well. Now the branches of it on both sides. I had drawn this tree only with a marker. Now I add pencil to give it more detail and more tonalities, like so. Very good, also here. And we may add some very thin trees. The list of materials that I am using is in the information below the video. We should also draw the snow where the sphere is. This will be like in layers or little hills. We can do small spots of reflection. That is fun and I think it looks nice. We should do the next hill in a different direction, on a different angle. And I want to thicken or extend these branches a bit. Now let's draw the part that holds the sphere. I sketch it with a coal erase pencil because I can erase that easily in case I make a mistake. And then to give it the color, I'll use the Prismacolor Premiers as for the rest of the sphere, which are wax based and therefore they cannot easily be erased. The lighting is up, behind and slightly to the left, and let's not forget to draw the string to hold the sphere, although it fell. And we draw some branches, softly so they are out of focus behind the sphere. If you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code, a fallen sphere, and I will answer on shiny snow. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, have a very nice Christmas and New Year, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.